Yeah, this is a dynamo brush for Toyota Hiace. So on this dynamo, the battery was not charging, so the vehicle get breakdown on the way, and the driver, they have to call. I went there with another replacement battery, and then I start the vehicle, then bring it back to the company. But one thing that was funny with the breakdown is that the vehicle, there was nothing like battery light that signal on the board, nothing signal on the board. So unfortunate, the driver, as he was driving, he just said that the vehicle was not accelerating. You know, this vehicle is a electrical vehicle, so since it was not accelerating, so he switched the vehicle off, then he tried to start, then the vehicle could not start. So he told me, then I had to get a battery, a replacement battery. Went there and removed his battery. His battery was not yet bad, but just because this brush is, the carbon brush is finished. For those who know what is carbon brush, this is the one for the Toyota Hiace bus. So unfortunate, I already fixed it. I already fixed this one, but I just decided to make this video because I have this spare. I removed the spare from here and fix it. Okay, let's go straight to the vehicle. Let me show what I was doing. This is the Toyota. This is the Toyota Hiace. So this is where I was working. So after finishing, for someone who don't have meters to check whether it is charging or not, what you have to do is this positive line, this positive terminal. If you put something like a screwdriver to check if a magnet is coming out, okay, you have to know the alternator is charging. You have to know the alternator is charging. So you can see a magnet. I'm using a little force to pull out. As I'm pulling, see. Okay, let's touch something else. So you see the difference. So see this one, there is a delay. There is a magnet. That magnet is the current that is coming out from to show that the alternator is charging. So I just wanted to so after doing so, I used my meter. I used my meter to check the voltage. So this is my meter here, but unfortunately my meter is not working the right way. Let me switch on. So it is reading totally madness. It's showing something here which I don't seem to understand. Already showing in short. Let's forget about the meter. So another simple trick you can use again is so another way to know, another method to know if your battery is properly charging, if your meter is not working like mine. So what you have to do is you remove one positive terminal. So because the signs of the battery are somewhere behind here, so I decided to put a white mark here. This is the negative and this is the positive. So you lose the positive terminal. After losing your positive terminal, you remove. If the engine continues running like it is running now, it definitely means your battery is charging. But if the engine switch off, know that you still have much work to do on the alternator. Therefore, the problem was not the carbon brush, despite the fact that the carbon brush get finished. So that is what You have to know, just simple as good morning. Always, these are just some of the tricks to know, like when you encounter such a job, Then another thing again is I would like to put on lights. I'll switch on all the lights. So I'll switch and on. All the lights are working. So I just put on all the lights, all the hazard lights, back light and the side light, just to see. If the engine runs for some time and the light doesn't get dim. And also something like your radio cassette, AC, everything, you just have to put them on. When you put them on and the engine goes off, or even if the engine is running and the light doesn't dim, then know that your battery is fully charging. But another method again that I wish to show you, but unfortunately my meter is not working. So we have to check also depending on the voltage. Like for instance, if I put my meter and check and the voltage drop approximately, it means the battery, the alternator is not still charging the right way. You still have much work to do. But now that it is not working, I know that one will do for another time again, because when I must have got a good meter that is reading properly. So this is where I put an end to this short presentation on how to check if your battery is properly charging after changing your carbon brush.